Hello everyone, I'm Sean from Boschshop. Because of the issue of the coronavirus, I believe that now most of people are not so easy to travel to attend exhibitions. Just like the exhibition Automechanika in Frankfurt, Germany will be extended until 2021. Therefore, we specially made this short video so that you can easily understand some new product from Boschshop. If you have any questions or suggestions about the products, please leave your message below. And your opinions are very important to us. It can help us to improve the product and provide you practical and useful tools and machines. So today I'm going to show you this DigiSpark 3, which is a new dam puller, and with some puller, some bridge puller, slide hammer, some practical useful tool. Okay, let's start the power. Plug in the earth. The power cable. We use this small device. This is our patent product, quick connector. We can show you the power, the voltage here, and you can use any non-fuse breaker. Put it here. Turn on the power. Turn on the power. And you can see we have many functions here, and when you switch to the different function, the system will give you different welding power and welding time. And if you want to adjust it, you can just adjust the volume, and you can press the save button to save your data. And we have auto function and manual function. Later I will show you what's the auto function and the manual function. We will use this torch, which is a European type torch. With okay, we have to welding the earth first, so I will use this one. This is we call that the edge puller. Okay, you can hold this torch pressure earth like this way, and use your tip, transfer the power, and touch the panel, welding. And it's very easy to take off. Okay, let me try again for you. Touch and push and welding. It's very easy. You can see it's quite reliable, no easy to lose. And if you want to take off the earth,
the earth, you can turn this nut here. It's very easy to connect your earth in anywhere. And you can use this one. We call it an edge puller because it looks like a small edge. You can use this tip, touch the panel, and press the torch switch, pulling. Remember, just use your tip, touch the panel, not the pad, and it will give you a little bit better power transfer because you put more pressure on the tip, so the contact will be better. And after welding, you can turn your hand like this way and take off the welding point. And you can turn the pad anyway, but do not turn the torch like this way, except you want to take off the welding point. And for this support leg, you can adjust the arm length and different extension you want. It's a very useful tool for a small dent. And this is our slide hammer. The middle bar we use the brass, which can give you better power transfer, less resistance. Okay. And now we use the manual mode and show you how it works. Like this way, touch the panel, trigger the torch switch, and you can welding, touch, welding, finished. You can see the welding point here. It's very small damage on car body, no overheat, no burn through. So this is our slide hammer, and if you want, you can use a auto mode here, and you can touch the panel like this way, touch, and you don't need to trigger the torch switch. We have a sensor circuit inside. Touch directly, no need to trigger the torch switch. So this is our slide hammer. And if you have a bigger dent, like this way, we can give you this small device. We call it a tab shooter. Put it inside. Normally, I hold the tab shooter like this way, like this 90 degree. Not this way, because most of the time the dent should be like this way, not this way. So we can welding the dent, the tip like this way, one by one. Okay. You have to hold the handle in here, not here. It will give you better operation. And when you're welding the tip, you can watch the tip head here, close to the first one. Trigger the torch switch, pull back, and hold your handle, push out, and go back. It will deliver next tab for you to welding. And if you have a big dent, this device can help you to welding the tab in the same line. You can see it's very straight. It's more easy for you to put the pulling stick inside. Yeah. And if you have a bigger dent, you can welding more and more washer to give you more pulling strength. Roughly each tip each washer can give you more than 50 kilogram pulling strength. Okay. And if you have a very big dent, very big one, you can welding the tape more, and if you want to refill it, it's also very easy. Okay, and after welding, you can use some pullers to pull out the dent. For example, this is our slide snap puller. You can easily adjust the support leg and the pulling device position anywhere, and you will not fall down. Okay, let me show you how to pull out the dent. Okay, so we can put back this way, and in here we have a handle. You squeeze handle like this way, and the dent will come out. You can see now, and this device will lock the hook, not the fall back. And when you want to release the hook, you can push the button here, and you can release the hook. Very easy to go up and go down, up and down. Yeah. The best thing for our slide series puller is it's a very flexible system. You can adjust any position you want, and you can change the middle bar. You can have a short one or a longer one. The longer one, you also can put more pulling device inside, like this way. For example, now we have more hook now. For this device, we can use a pneumatic tool or power tool to give you more strength, more power. When you have a big dent like this one, if you have only one puller in the middle. You will easily make the pulling bar have a banana shape. But if you have 2 or 3 pulling devices, then you can separate the pulling strengths. Like this way. Okay, so this is a very useful tool. You can easy assembly, adjustment, easy adjust the position of the support leg and the hook, the pulling device. So you can have one pad or double pad, any position you want, any angle. It's a really flexible tool. After welding, I suggest you to turn, if you want to take off the washer, I suggest you to go this way. Twist it, not shake this one this way or this way, because sometimes if you go this way or this way, you will create a hole on the car body. So this is a better way to take off the washer, the tab. Very tight. You can see the welding point here. It's very small, which means we don't put too much heat on the car body, so we don't need to afraid in the future we will get rust in this area. This is a new tool for the slide series puller. We give it a useful lock. So you can pull out the washer like this way. Let's create let's welding more washer to demonstrate it. And pulling the dent like this way. So we have a handle for the middle bar. It's very useful. And this small thing, it's our new product. It's just a prototype, but I believe we will finish it soon. Can touch welding. also you can adjust the different position. You also can turn different way. This one. And if you want, you can put the hook here. Out the dent, and if you have some PDR device, you can also pull out like this way, a blueprint system.